ก็ละมาเริ่มเกมแรกหลังจากรีแรงไม่ต้องตกใจเสียง
And a
นะ
warm
เสียงเพิ่ม
welcome
มี
on what is a fine day for football. I'm delighted to be able to report. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and I'm joined for expert analysis by my partner Stuart Robson. And with the game just moments away now, this really ought to be a superb watch. It's the Netherlands facing Fiorentina.
Thanks, Derek, as always. This should be a good game. Great atmosphere inside the stadium. We've got two teams full of quality, some interesting matchups, and two coaches that want to play an attractive brand of football. What more could you ask for?
Beckham. Valverde. Harry Kane. Diego Forlan. Kane. The referee spotted the infringement, and it will be a free kick in a position of genuine menace.
ฝั่งลงคู
And the keeper takes charge and dealing with the free kick.
ไม่
Diego Forlan. And it's Marco Reus. And not cleared away properly.
อะไรเนี่ย
Frank Lampard. Federico Chiesa. Clear to see who got the last touch. So a throw in it'll be.
นี่คือปลา
The ball with Chiesa.
มันไม่เหล็กเนี่ย
And the referee is quite rightly letting it go. But now it is going to be a free kick after the second infringement. And the keeper grabbing hold of that free kick. Well, nicely cut out. Well, play stopped. It is a free kick. Federico Valverde. Kane. Harry Kane. And pushed onto the woodwork.
มันดูตัวเสื้อไว้มันไม่ให้เรายิงสุดยอดมากดูสิ
And denied by the crossbar.
Yeah, he does really well to get to the ball first, but he just couldn't keep it down. But it was close.
William Saliba. Lampard.
ไม่ได้นะ
David Beckham. Federico Chiesa.
มันส่งให้ทีมเล่นทำอันนี้แล้วเนี่ย
And given away by Fiorentina. And the referee blows for a foul.
เฮ้ยมันกล้ามาที่ถึงฟาว
David Beckham. Well, can they make one of these passes count? Well, trying to take their time, but not enough care on the ball.
ไปไปเล่นเกมหลุด
And a big chunk of added. He's in with a chance. Well, the sheer audacity to chip it like that.
วันนี้ไม่มีเวลาขนาดนั้นเดี๋ยวเรา
And the ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be?
โอ้ยอะไรเนี่ยเอาจานเปล่าอีกแล้วเอ้ยอะไรเนี่ย
And with that, the first half draws to a close. Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in this second half.
ไปโบราณ
In with a chance. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Forlan. There is the goal to open the scoring. Who can say they don't deserve to be in front?
โบราณ yes
And back underway. 1-0 it is. William Saliba.
อะไรเนี่ยเฮ้ยจานแปลอะไรอ่ะ
Lampard.
หมายดูดาวลุงแมนยู
Diego Forlan. Kane.
แฮร์รี่อุ้ยดันเยอะมากมีคุณดันเยอะโอ้ไม่เปล่าได้ไง
Vitor Ferreira. Marco Reus.
ร้อย
Will he finish? And it goes! Well, it's one goal after another. A highly impressive
ตัว
performance.
เติงตัวเทพมาคุณร้อย
This is looking rather comfortable for them. 3-0. Kane. Vitor Ferreira.
มีเตียงหญ้า
Might be able to get in behind the defence. A fine reading of the situation.
คาริฟิโอ
And the ball back with the Netherlands now.
คือเรียกที่โบราณ
Can he do
เฮ้ย
it?
ไอ้
And the keeper more than equal to the task.
ไม่ใช่คอนเสิร์ต30แล้ว
Well, we're inside the final quarter of an hour now.
สู้คืนประวัติศาสตร์เฮ้ยเจ๊ป้าทำอะไรรู้ไหมครับ
Well, you've got to say comfortably off target, Stuart.
Yeah, that's a waste of good possession. His teammates are not happy with him, and they're letting him know.
Gianluca Zambrotta. And the danger is averted.
ไปเฮียก็เล่นคุณจะพลาดขัดแหลก
Alvarez.
มาเลสเอาเทียซ่าหลุด
Strong but fair tackle. Kane. Forlan.
เฮ้ยไม่ได้กดสกิลก็ได้ว่ะเห็นเขียน4-0
An
แล้ว
exceptional performance this. Forward to the good now.
เอามาเว้ยเกมแรก
And this is turning into something of a rout. 4-0.
ไป
And the referee has added on 2 minutes of stoppage time. And there's the final whistle. The Netherlands have won the game. Stuart, your thoughts on their performance?
Well, Derek, what a good performance that was. They did most things right, and their attacking play was inventive and had a real cutting edge. That was a really dominant display from them today.
มีแค่นี้แหละครับก็ goodbye